Tell Mommy where we are.
That was good.
Oh, no.
Hey, Delaney. Delaney, what's this? Hamburger. And what are those?
Sticks.
What are these?
Those are sticks.
What are these?
French fries.
That's Mommy's.
No, that's Grandma's.
Here's mine.
No, it's mine.
Where are we?
That was my mommy's.
Where are we? George's, right. George's Diner. And where did we go tonight? Who did we go see?
The lady.
The lady. No, Devin.
I left there last night. Got them outside stairs.
Okay, well, I'm going to shut it off now, okay? See you later.
See you later.